All right. So guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Majame here again. Let me first share the link of the live to the channel. Yeah, let me first share the link, then we begin. I have to share it to the channel. So we are going to live trade now, guys. We are going to live trade. Hold on a bit. So I created the first link, but it crashed. So this is the second link. So all is good now. So what we are going to do is just simply to to get some signals and then teach you guys some few things before I go off. So if you're a beginner, I hope what Forex is. I hope you know what Forex is. Yeah. The benefits of Forex and the dangers of Forex. So you must know that. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Like the stream and share with your friends before we begin, guys. Do that before we begin. Make sure you have subscribed, shared the stream, and liked. Yeah. So everything is set now. Everything is set. Let me just put this here. Then we can. Make sure you have subscribed to the channel, guys. Make sure you have subscribed to the channel. I have to put the phone here so that I be reading you guys' chats. Yeah, what your suggestions are, the questions that you have for me. Yep. Now let's begin. Let's begin. We have our pair, which is gold here, as you are seeing it here clearly. This is our pair that we are going to trade now, right now. Then you can recommend also the pair that you want me to analyze for you. Yes, you can recommend the pair you want me to analyze for you. I'm going to do that. Yeah, you can recommend for me a pair. So this is my first choice. It's what I'm going to analyze right here. So simply what you have to do here is to find your zones. The zones can be gotten in two ways. You can either use the horizontal line or the box or the rectangular box which you see here. So this is what you will use now to draw. This is what you will use to draw all this. But for now, let's just use the horizontal line. Yeah, this is going to work. So you have to get the high now of that market. This is not the current one because the current high is this here. But now yeah, you have to find your zones. Just it's what we are going to do. So that is the zone. Let me make it, yeah, at least like that, so that you guys can be able to see it clearly and you, yes. So these are the ones we have marked here are just our potential zones that we have, that we see we shall have what rejections from all that. So let's get other zones also. What we are simply doing is finding the zones, areas of interest. Yeah. So we finally have our resistances and supports here. Now what are we going to do in this? So what we are going to do is just to, this is it now, because the trend is still playing around here, of which we are seeing it's bearish. Bearish trend, we look for sales, guys. You have to get this clearly. We look for sales in bearish trend. So we are simply going to wait for a drop, yes, but not now. Yeah, but here we shall sell. I'm going to show you guys. Remember, we are on a daily time frame, which is 1D or 24 hours. This that you are seeing right here. So We shall wait for a drop at least, of which we are looking at. We are going to target this as our first TP. In trading, you have to get your first TP, the second TP, all that. The first trade has to hit a TP first before you, yes, before you add others. Before you add others, you have to wait for the first TP to be hit, of which we are obviously going to wait for here. So this is going to be our first TP now. And that is our expectation of the market to drop at least to this zone before it proceeds to this, because we are sure it's going to drop. Now let's go to 4 hours time frame and we see if this is what is here still. When trading, you have to look for other confluences also. We look for other confluences. Here we can be able to see an M. An M is formed right here. Guys, get me clearly. Watch that video. Yes, rewatch the video that I made for you guys. So rewatch the video, you will learn all this. So here we are able to see our zone here, our zone right here, of which it tapped. You saw here it tapped and dropped. Here we are going to drop. This is the projection I gave you guys, which is the first TP that we are going to wait for here. So you see the market is dropping. Now this is a zone that we are waiting for to be broken. If it breaks this, then just know we are going for massive sales. If it breaks this zone, so this is a zone that you are seeing right here. This is a zone, guys. So that is a zone that we are seeing right there. Now let's go to 1 hour. Let's go to 1 hour time frame and we see that is it. Yes. So here we can be able to get our entry even. Let's just get our entry from here. We are shorting. Yes. So we are shorting from there. So our stop loss is going to be above this at least. So guys, this is our first trade. This is our first trade. This is our first trade here that you are seeing right here. So let's wait for it to drop and then we shall be able to see what else again. Let me send this to the group. Guys, make sure you have joined my group, or make sure you are joining my group. Make sure you join my group. I'm in Telegram. So we have to just so this is gold signal. Guys, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. Like the stream and share. Please like the stream and share. If you are watching me now, do that. Yes, this is our first trade, of which that is our entry. Now let's go and look. So which other pair do you guys want me to analyze for you? Which other pair do you guys want me to analyze for you so that I do it now? We have been live for 8 minutes. Let us check on other pairs that we yeah, so in case it closes here below it, if it closes below it, then just know we are going for those sales. If it closes below it, then we are going for massive sales. For that drop, we shall wait for it for that drop. Just make sure you have subscribed to the channel. Make sure you have subbed to the channel. Yeah, let me do that so that you guys can clearly see. So guys, that is our first pair that we have analyzed. That is our first pair that we have analyzed right there. Make sure you have subscribed guys to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. So this is our first TP that we are targeting 189 pips. 189 pips is our target. Oh, that is the TP. We are losing 80 pips, of which I believe we cannot go back up to this side. This is a zone. In case it breaks this, then I don't expect the market to go up here. If In case it goes there, then there's no that is manipulation. Yes, then the market is manipulated. But let's wait for it to break below this, and we shall go for massive sales. Break below this, and then we shall go for massive sales. That is what we are anticipating, guys. That is what we are anticipating. That is what we are looking for simply. So let's check on other pairs. Which other pair should we analyze? Let me know, guys. If you are watching, let me know which other pair should I analyze for you. Which other pair should I analyze for you? Let's check on GBP. JPY, of course, that is it. So here we shall use a different strategy right here. This is massive. This is massive. This is massive. But let's first check on the news. Let's first check on the news. We see. As that is our first trade, let's check on the news we see. Because we can't just trade not knowing. I see here PPI, the core one, is at 4:30 today, 4:30 p.m. in USD pairs. These other ones here, these other ones are low. Of course, I'm going to make a video for you guys. If you don't know how to read this, then the red folder means the volume is high in this kind of market. The volume is high in that kind of market. So this is our first. That is our first signal. Our first signal. Okay, so we shall just wait for that drop there to happen. Now we are going to GBP to analyze GBP JPY. GBP JPY. Guys, kindly join that Telegram group of mine. In case you are watching this or if you are going to watch it later, join the group. Connect with me on my Discord. So this is another pair that we are going to analyze here. This is another pair we are going to analyze. Of course, what you should know is that this kind of gap here, let me show you guys, this is a gap. You should be knowing the logic behind this gap here, this kind of gap. Yes. Do you know what that means? Do you know what that means? Guys, subscribe to the channel, like the stream and share. Subscribe to the channel, like the stream and share. So this gap here simply means it needs to be filled. It needs to be filled. By filling, I mean the market coming back at least to here to it. This is what it means by it filling, and then we can either move up or drop. We can either go up or drop. So that is what I mean by the market being filled. That is what I mean by it being filled. But here we shall use trend line also can work here. So our trend lines can work here. Our trend lines can work right here. So guys, this is it. We are seeing an uptrend on this. We are seeing an uptrend on GJ. On gold, we are seeing a sell or a downtrend. So what we are simply going to wait for here is just a hit. This is the first touch, second, third of which is going to happen here. It either happens down or the upper one. It depends. So and we are seeing it's trending up here. So let's wait for it to hit there at least and we drop down. Of this is going to be our TP. And you know these pairs are not compared to gold. Gold is different from this. Gold is different from these other pairs here because they have low volume and profits are different also. So that is what we are going to wait for. We are waiting for the hits there. Let's check on 4 hours. We see. Let's check on 4 hours. We see what is happening. So this is our zone that we are seeing right here also. We can at least wait for it to be hit, and then we shall be sure. After hit here, then we shall be sure either to buy or sell. Either to buy or sell. So this is what we are waiting for here on this. We are going to wait for this here. Let's check on 1 hour, we see. So 1 hour is the same thing. Our first TP is going to just be here. Simply, it's going to be, this is going to be our first TP. I don't know how many pips are this. Let's say we are longing it. So that is where it will be stop loss at, let's say 2 pips. I know it's small, but so our TP is going to be, that is going to be our TP now if you are to take this kind of trade. We have to go to 15 minutes and confirm it also. So we have to go to 15 minutes and confirm if it is that same thing that we are seeing. Yes, so let's long it. So guys, this is what we are waiting for here. Any pair recommendation, let me know. Which other pair do you guys want me to analyze? Any pair recommendation, let me know. Any pair recommendation, let me know. But this is it on GJ, on GBP USD. Let's check on USD. Yeah, let's first check on USD JPY. This is selling massively. We have to confirm first if that is the case. That is the case. Let's try to get some clear view of it. Let's try to get some clear view of the market. Guys, subscribe to the channel, like the stream and share. Sub to the channel, like the stream and share. Sub to the channel, like the stream and share. So this is what we are seeing here again. This is our trend. If we are to zoom it, let's first zoom it, we see. So in case we are just finding zones, these are going to be it. This is going to be it. That is a good zone that we are seeing here. Why do I say it is a zone? Because of these multiple rejections happening here. This rejections is why I call it a zone. Let's let's. So far we have analyzed 3 pairs. We have analyzed 3 pairs so far. And this is what we are waiting for. It's already here even, so this is our next target. But this is a higher time frame. Remember, we are on 1 day time frame. Let's go to 4 hours time frame. We see 4 hours time frame. We see we can be able to draw our trend lines here. So that is how our trend lines are going to be. Our trend lines are going to be. So we are just waiting. What we are waiting for is a break here, then a retest, and we go. Yes, a break and then a retest, and we drop down. That is what we are waiting for on USD JPY, guys. Let's first see gold. We see how it is playing out. Let's check on our gold. We see how it is playing out. Let's check on our gold. We see how it is playing out. So this is how our gold is playing, guys. So I don't expect it to break this level here. So this is another level that we are able to see. This is some other level that we are seeing here. This I don't expect it to break above this, of which that is why I put the stop loss right here. Let's wait for it and we see. Let's wait for it and we see. Make sure you have subbed to the channel, subscribe, like and share. Subscribe, like and share. Sub, like and share. Yes, so it had so our first stream crashed, guys. That is why I shared another link because of the first one that crashed. So we had to leave that. Let me see this. Hold on a bit, guys. Let me see this. So I'm seeing something here first. So this is our gold, how it is playing out. So we have to remove this first. This is our gold. Guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the stream as we wait for the trade to play out. As we wait for the trade to play out, let's wait for it. Yes, make sure you have subscribed to the channel, like the stream. Let me play some music for you guys. Yes, let me play some non-copyright music. Non-copyright music. Make sure you have subscribed, guys. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you have subscribed. So let's check on this.
Miss Darren at 23 on red messages, knowing each response will take 10 minutes to type. We've all been there.
Make sure you have subscribed to the channel, like the stream. Make sure you have subscribed to the channel and like the stream. So that is our fair. As I told you guys that we are not expecting, or I'm not expecting it, and this is a strong belief that it won't break above this. That it won't break above this. Yes, that is what I'm saying. Yes. So let's just wait patiently and we see how it plays out. We don't need to rush, guys. We don't need to rush. We don't need to rush. Let's be patient and wait for it. So here is what I was saying. I don't expect it to break above that. So let's wait and see how that plays out. In case it goes against us, then I'll tell you guys to close the trade. But I'm not expecting that to happen. Let's wait for it to play out. Let's wait for it to play out. Yes, we have to be patient. Let's first check on our channel. So guys, this is the channel. This is the channel. This is the channel. And this is the same pair that we are trading. This is the same pair we are trading. I'll close below this, then we shall sell. I will tell you guys when to sell. Yes. So I'll tell you guys when to sell. Let me write a note here. Guys, make sure you have subscribed to the channel, like the stream, please. Let me go. Yes, I will communicate the entry. Communicate. Guys, we need to be patient, please. We need to be patient. We don't need to rush. Guys, make sure you have joined the Telegram group. I'm going to communicate when to enter. sure you have subscribed to the channel if you are going to watch this or if you are watching me. Make sure you have subscribed to the channel if you are watching this or watching or going to watch. Yes. Let me see. So and first check the analytics. Let's check we see. Let's check we see. Let's check we see. Make sure you have subscribed, guys. Make sure you have subscribed to the channel, like the stream. Yes. Not receiving my stream such a experience. Alright. We have to fix some issue here. We have to fix some issue. We shall fix it in the, I guess in the next live we shall be smooth with it. We shall be smooth with it. Make sure you have subscribed, guys, to my channel, like the stream. Make sure you have subscribed to my channel and like the stream. That is going to be helpful to me.
Yes, in the next live we shall be smooth with it.
Yeah. So it's clear. That is what I wanted. Yes, that is what I wanted. So we can continue with our stuff. Let's see. So let's just check on. Let's play this. Yeah, some background music here. Make sure you have subscribed to the channel, guys. Like the stream. So that is our pair that we are waiting for. Make sure you subscribe, like the stream. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and like the stream. I told you guys, as I said, that I'll communicate when to enter. I'll communicate when you shall enter for the trade. Now let's wait for this at least to play. That's our TP that you see right there. So this is going to be the first TP now. This is going to be our first TP. Make sure you stay on so that when I communicate, then you can be able to get the information and let's wait for you to play out. You have to be patient. You have to be patient. You have to wait. You have to be patient. So we have some issues with the video quality. OBS is having some issues, but we shall make sure it's fixed. You have to be patient, wait patiently, we see how it plays out. Wait patiently, we see how it plays out. You don't need to rush, but you don't need to rush. You have to be patient. Patience pays. Yeah, especially in Forex, it pays a lot. Like if you rush now and you enter from here, it might first take you out and then it drops again, which is bad. So I don't expect you guys to enter now because it will take you out fast and then it goes again. Make sure you wait patiently. I'm going to communicate. When communicate when you enter. As I told you guys that we don't expect it to break this. We're not expecting a break here above it. That's why I'll put stop loss right there. Let's wait for it. I'll communicate when to enter. Let's be patient and wait here. I'll communicate when you shall enter. Because if we enter now, do you know what is going to happen? If we enter now, we are going to be taken out from here. We shall be taken out from here and then it drops, which is bad. So that is why we shall wait for it to play out fast. You have to be patient. To maximize your trade, I'll show you where it's when to enter, when to stop and when not to start. So let's wait. Let's be patient, please. Let's be patient and wait. So whatever comes, either stop pressure or 150 guys. So that is going to be a good time. So we have to just wait. Guys, let's wait for just power to this figure and guys, make sure you have subscribed to the channel, like the stream and share. Yeah, make sure you have done all those. Make sure you have done all those. Make sure you have shared the live, like the stream and subscribe. Make sure you have done all those. Make sure you have subscribed, like the stream and share. Thank you. Let's check on the other pair that we have analyzed. Which one was it? So this is what we had analyzed. 15 minutes. So I cleared stuff, I cleared it out. Now let me position. So that is what we are waiting for on GJ. That's what we are waiting for on GJ. It's different from what we are waiting for on Forex. This This is our gold right here. That is our gold right there. Guys, make sure you have subscribed to the channel and share the like. Yes, thank you for doing that. Make sure you have done all that. Sub to the channel, subscribe and share. Guys, make sure you have subscribed to the channel, please. And make sure you have joined my telegram, because that is where I'm going to get the entry from. Yes, that is where I'm going to tell guys to enter or to exit that page. So make sure you are in that group. Yes, join, the link is on description. So I have to leave now, guys. This is 1 hour now. Yeah. So see you guys in the next live stream. I don't know which stage is it going to be, but see you guys in the next stream.